So the 5 key changes, you know, you get points for each correct answer. Again, no penalty for guessing. They're not going to have as obscure vocabulary like sagacious. You know, it's, you know, an English teacher might know what that means, but it's not a word that we always use. They're going to try to use like words like synthesis or alleviate, things that you might hear someone speak about. And you'll need to know what those mean, so it's not like I would get rid of vocabulary, but it's going to try to use more predictable vocabulary for like an intelligent, educated person vocabulary versus just something they pick out of a dictionary that someone hardly uses. So that's different. The math, is not upper level math, meaning it's not supposed to be pre-cal math or calculus math or even AP Stat math. It's supposed to be more like Math 2, Math 3. And the closer you can take this test to having had Math 2 or 3, the better off you're probably going to be, because you don't want to get fuzzy and forget it. So it'd be great for you, if you're in Math 3 right now, I know some of you are in pre-cal, but taking this in the spring, the closest you can get to having completed that math would probably be smarter than even waiting till the fall, you know, of your senior year. But it is offered in March, June, and March, May, and June. So you could take it 2 times this spring and then take it 1 time your senior year if you wanted to. That'll all still be the same type of test if you do it that way. Calculators are on one section, and then one section you'll have without a calculator. Most questions are multiple choice, and some write in the answer on their own. It's not an opinion based, it's going to ask you to analyze, but you're asked to analyze a lot at the school, so I think you'll be prepared for analyzing. So the websites I'm going to talk to you about in just 1 second, but that's something to think about, not your opinion. So there is SAT practice on Khan Academy. So what you can also do is submit your scores. Like if you take this in March and then you submit that to the College Board website through your account, they're going to give you personalized practice on what you didn't do well so that you can do better and study for the next test. I would study for this first one. And I'll give you websites, I'll give you this booklet. There's all kinds of ways to help you. On the College Board website are 4 free tests to take. You know, you can see it's, as we saw before, it's almost 4 hours. It's a long test. You would have to set aside an entire Saturday afternoon to even do one test.